Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Wantika Kusuman dari SPD MPD as an English lecturer. Allow me to explain project part 1 with the topic opinion about the new President Prabowo. First, introduce myself. My name is Cahya Febriana Putri with name 64241619. Right, yesterday, October 20, 2024, the President and his deputy were officially inaugurated as the President of the Republic of Indonesia for the next 5 years. This year's Indonesia will be led by Mr. Prabowo and his deputy Mr. Gibran. Where Mr. Prabowo, before becoming president, he was already a military academy and was inaugurated by Mr. Jokowi as Minister of Defense, and of course there has been a lot of experience from Mr. Prabowo in handling Indonesia. After the inauguration of the president yesterday, Mr. Prabowo brought his ministers called the Red and White Cabinet to carry out military activities. And the man, born on October 17, 1951, managed to become president at the age of 73. He is persistent person and he never gave up in advancing to become president too, who initially had nomination but failed. And finally he was able to become president in Indonesia this year. Hopefully he can be trusted is carrying out his duties for the next 5 years with his deputy and can keep all his promise during the campaign yesterday. And that's all my opinion about the new president in Indonesia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Wantika Kusuman dari SPD MPD as an English lecturer. Allow me to explain project part 2 with the topic adverb of frequency. First, introduce me, Cahya Febriana Putri with name 64241619. Okay, I'll start with the presentation. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is a word used for how well we do our daily activities. Always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. Sentence patterns. Be plus adverb. Example, he never kept it. Adverb plus verb. They usually vacation to the zoo. Verb plus adverb plus verb. You are always looking at your phone. Always. I always read the prayer before going to bed. He always exercises in the morning. My mother always cooks good food. Example, Kayla, hi Cahya, do you always ride a motorbike to campus? Cahya, yes Kayla, I always bring a motorbike. I usually walk to work. My father usually eat meatball. My friends usually playing in Dufan. Example, Faza, Hello Vira, I want to ask, where do you usually buy coffee? Vira, I usually buy coffee at the Family Mart. They often shop in stores. We often play badminton. I often buy makeup. Example, Ellie, where is a good swimming spot? Daisy, I often in Jungleland. Sometimes, my sister sometimes drink herbal medicine. They sometimes like to sing at home. On Fridays, sometimes we like to study together. Example, Kayla, hi Faza, what kind of food do you like to bring? Faza, I sometimes like to bring chicken. Kayla, wow, that's delicious. Occasionally, I occasionally go to bed late. We occasionally drink coffee. They occasionally food seafood. Example, hi Vira, do you like walking to Block M? Vira, not really. I occasionally go there. Seldom. Mother seldom drink acid. We seldom go to cinema. They seldom play at the cinema. Example, Vira, hi Kayla, do you like eating very spicy food? Kayla, I seldom eat spicy food. Rarely. I rarely get angry. My brother rarely sport. We rarely play at night. Example, Nada, sis, do you like eating sushi? Jihan, I like sushi but rarely eat it. Never. I never go to park. I don't like it. I never watched Korean dramas. They never ate vegetable. Nisa. Example, have you ever been to a place to buy Lego? Oh, sorry Nisa, I never buy Lego. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, so my friend name is Tika. Introduce, my name is Kayla Nur Anissa. I am from class 1A. I will convey my opinion about Bahrain versus Indonesia yesterday on the 10th of October. So, see you until the end. So, Bahrain versus Indonesia yesterday to determine the World Cup 2026. Unfortunately, the Indonesian national team lost and did not enter the World Cup 2026. Indonesia lost because the referee cheated. Even though Indonesia should have won. In my opinion, after the referee has been give money to you, cheat Indonesia or whatever it is. The referee is named Ahmad Al-Kaf. So, when the Bahrain players was nudged just a little bit, the referee immediately gave a foul. Well, the Indonesia players was already nudged by the Bahrain players. The referee did not care, as if nothing had happened. And when Indonesia scored a goal, the referee checks the VAR for a long time. But when Bahrain scored a goal, the referee did not check it all. The referee looks very much in favor of Bahrain, right? It's like they've been bright with you something if you ask me. No, what makes me surprised, the football match should be 90 minutes. And yesterday, there was an extra time for 6 minutes. If at the time of the 6 minutes the match was over, we will have won, because we were already 2-1 ahead. but the referee continued the game until the 9 minutes. Namely, when Better scored a goal and was not even checked by VAR by the referee. As a result, the score is 2-2 or draw. Cannot the referee count? I really cannot stop thinking. I was very emotional and sad by the referee. I immediately thought there must be something behind all this. Even though it must be exciting and very fun if the Indonesia team enters the World Cup. Okay guys, that's all my opinion on Bahrain versus Indonesia yesterday. So, what do you think guys? You must agree with what I said, right? Okay guys, dadah, bye bye. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tapi bohong.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello to my friend name is Tika. I will explain what the question word that we always use in life. So listen to the end. Okay, I will share the material. Oh no. Kok ini? Okay, the first understanding of the question words. Question word is a word that used to ask about a reason, time, place, thing, person, and many others. Question words can also be used to form non-clause and adjective clause. Question words are very often used in communicating in English. Question we usually call 5W plus 1H in Indonesian. They help you get the information we need in your conversation or reading. Next, what are the characteristics of question words? The first is that it always ends with a question mark, because if there is no question mark at the end, it is not a question word. And the second is usually located at the beginning of the question sentence. Okay, what are some of the interrogative words? These are what, when, where, who, why, which, and how. Okay, next I will explain the function and examples of question words. The first is the question word what. Okay. Used to ask about a thing or object. For example, there are what time is it? What do you want? What are you going today? And what is love? Okay. The second is when. When used to ask about a time. For example, there are when we play together, when you leaving, when was the last time you studied, and when is your birthday. Okay, the third is where. Where used to ask about place. For example, there are where you go to school, where you live, where are you from, and where the toilet. The next is who. Who used to ask about someone. For example, there are who are you, who is that woman, who is my food, and who is your best friend. Next is why. This word is used to ask for a specific reason. For example, there are where are you crying, where are your phone is broken, where are you late, and why did it happen. Next is which. This word is used to ask if the person or thing in question is in some other place. Okay, for example, there are which one do you prefer? Which one suits me? Which one are you going to pass? And which one is right? And the last is how. Profession to ask about the condition or quality of a matter, method or process of workmanship. Okay, for example, there are how to make it, how did you do it, how about we go shopping, and how can I do it. Okay, well then we go to into the example of question words in conversation. The first is what. For example, there are hi Luffy, what are you doing here? Hi Kayla, I'm waiting for my friends. So, what are you doing here? I'm going to the supermarket. Oh, well, take care Kayla. Okay, the second is when. Kayla, I want to ask, when is your birthday? It's June in 29. When is your birthday? Wow, we were both born in June. I was in the 18. Wow, are you serious? Then let's celebrate it together. Okay, the third is where. Do you know where the Do you know where the nearest jewelry store is? It is it is in the JTRC area. What are you doing jewelry for? For my girlfriend. Oh, that's a good idea. By the way, where do you live? I live in Jatiwaringin area. Okay, next is who. Luffy, who is that coming with you? That's my older sister. Wow, your sister is so beautiful. Not really. Do you know at my foot? No, I don't know. Okay, the next is why. Hi Kayla, where were you late progress in the morning? Because I woke late. In the road was very constant. Usually never late. Yeah, I slept late last night because of my assessment. Okay, the next is which. I'm confused about which shirt to wear, the red one or the blue one. Which one do you think is good? I think the blue one is you. Are you sure? Yeah. Which one do you think is better, that ramen or sushi? Ramen looks good. I want to eat ramen. Okay, the last is how. I'm so bored. How about we go somewhere? Oh, that's a good idea. How about we go to the mall? Alright, let's go. Okay, that's all I can say. Hopefully it can be useful for all of us. Please apologize if I have any shortcoming or mistakes while explaining. I take my leave, so thank you so much guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Swantika Kusumandari, SPD MPD. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Fadilah. Today I want to give my opinion about smoking in 10 campus area. It's no secret that many people are addicted to cigarettes and others. Then are you already familiar with smoking? Without any fear and effort to think about other people's health. We are awesome smoker, are you ready now? The dangers and impact of smoking. For transferees reason to keep smoking and what if smoking in 10 campus area is beneficial for smokers. Smokers should have 10 right to smoker, but it does make sense if it really harms other people. Any, in my opinion, smoking in 10 campus area is very important because we show respect to teacher or friends who are you non-smokers do not have ten cause to become passive smokers. Smoking in 10 cause of pollution. Many students show that smoking is harmful to then everyone and carbon dioxide. Everyone knows that wow, no humans in Tenfield are getting worse now. We have many ways to ration nicotine. Instead of smoking, do you really? I want people do do in smoking in public place. I would like to say that is no mention. I more about allowing smoking on campus and also I think it may be time for people to stop smoking, not only for us but for 10 world and 10 future everyone who has I left in 10 world after us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Fadila. Percentage continuous. Understanding percentage continuous in an ice verbal tense. Then ice as we saw action 10 are still happening at time of speaking. Experience and my mother is sending novel right now. Be quiet, then baby is sleeping and then moment. Here to feel avoid and even then is happening now. For even then occurred within our certain period of time and are still ongoing today. For even then I've been tainted with certain the same way and action than is happening like that. Making complex, making informal person plans for the future. Explains what I am wearing and novel than street. I I am traveling to Bangkok next month. Pattern of person continue. Positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. One positive sentence. Subject plus is I'm are plus verbal in plus object. Then verbal be as in different more depending on time subject person. First person as I'm. Three person singular and is. All other person as are. Positive sentence not is he it I'm I are you then we. Experience. I am playing football. I am working. He is talking. He is standing. Two. Negative sentence. Subject is I'm are plus not plus verb is plus object. To force a negative sentence in 10% continuous, you can add not af- after then verb to be I am eating. I am not eating. Then not is often contrasted with then phrase verb. Such as aren't on its however, then is not done in then first person. 2. Negative tension explains. 3. Are not studying English. I am not eating. You are not working. It is not raining. 3. Interrogative sentence is I'm are plus subject plus verbal English object plus object can transform an interrogative sentence in 10% continuous tension is auxiliary verb start with an appropriate from of 10 auxiliary verb be am is are be based on 10 subjects. Experience is Mita working now? Yes, he is. No, she is not. Excellent. What are you doing? I am studying English. Absent of time. No, sekarang. Absent person. Sekarang. And tense time. Saat ini. Item dan moment saat ini. Ah, still. Masih. Today. Hari ini. Experience 1 and then she are studying English. 2. She are studying English I time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Are you down with it? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be there, I want you instead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Wantika Kusman dari SPD MPD as an English lecturer. Allow me to explain project part 1 with the topic my opinion about smoking in campus area. My name is Syed Ramadan, and on this occasion I would like to share my opinion about smoking on campus grounds. First of all, let me talk about smoking. Smoking is very harmful to health as it can lead to disease such as chronic lung disease, which often affect smokers. Cigarettes contain nicotine, which cause addiction. I see many young people nowadays, even underage ones, already daring to smoke, and I can't help but think they are simply following what others do. In my mind, I wonder, did their parents not teach them about the danger of smoking? As we know, there are two types of smoker: active smokers and passive smokers. Active smokers are those who smoke and inhale smoke directly from cigarette. Meanwhile, passive smokers are non-smokers who inhale smokes exhaled by active smoker. I consider myself a passive smoker. I dislike active smokers who are indifferent to the health of others who don't smoke and even to their own health. Next, I would like to discuss smoking on campus grounds. As we know, every place usually has the sign "No Smoking Areas" to ensure the well-being of people free from cigarette smoke. Some of my classmates also smoke, but I chose to remain silent. as I understand that smoking is their personal choice. However, I I sincerely hope that all Indonesians will stop smoking. I know that smoking is a controversial topic in daily life, but I urge everyone in Indonesia, from children to teenagers to adults, to quit smoking for the sake of our health. None of us want to fall ill because of cigarette smoke. For instance, when I'm riding my motorcycle, sometimes a motorcyclist in front of me is smoking. Don't they care about the people behind them? How many people have already become victims of road accident? Many people must hate this situation, including myself. That's all I have to say about smoking. I apologize if any of my words are unpleasant. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahid Ramadan, and on this occasion, allow me to explain project part 2 with the topic the question word. Let's start the presentation. Okay. Question word are used to form question in English. They help clarify the information you want to know and to ask something like the reason, time, place, thing, person, and many more. We can make question easier and more effective by learning the question word formula. In order for the question we ask to be well understood by our conversation partner, we must also pay attention to grammar and pronunciation when using question words. We can improve our ability to master question formulas and English in general by practicing regularly and enriching our vocabulary and sentence structure. There are several additional question words that we need to know besides the question word formulas that have been mentioned previously. Here are some, along with their formulas. 1. Who, question word that function to ask about a person or subject. Example, who is coming to the class? Who are you? And who is she? Who is she? Continue. 2. What, question word used to ask something related to someone or something. Example, what is your favorite food? What are you doing? And what about you? Continue. 3. Where, question word used to determine the location, purpose, and position of someone or something. Example, where do you school? Where are you? And where is my pen? Continue. 4. When, question word that can be used to ask when something happened. Example, when is your father back to home? When are we going to swim? And when are we going to leave? Continue. 5. Why, question word used to determine the cause. Example, why are you running? Why are you crying? And why are they afraid? Okay, continue. Uh, which? Question word that can be used to ask for choice about things like items, colors, opinions, and so on. Example, which one is your favorite motorcycle? Which is better between walking and running? And which clothing do you recommend? Continue. How? Question word that can be used to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example, how to make it, how do you get to the beach, and how did you feel this morning? Okay, continue. How much is same with how? Question words that can be used to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example, how much money does he have? How much water does he drink? And how much rice does he take to eat? Okay, continue. How often? How often? How much and how is same. Question word that can be used to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. Example, how often do you exercise? How often do you go gardening? How often does your friend come over to your house? Okay, continue to the dialogues of what are you doing? Assalamualaikum. Hey friend, good morning. Waalaikumsalam. Good morning to you too, my friend. What are you doing in the house? I am fixing the broken fan. It seems like you need help. Can I help you fix it too? Yes, I need your help. Sorry for bothering you, friend. Okay, continue. Where are you? Hey, buddy. Where are you? I'm at the Muslim clothing store. Sorry, I left you at the mosque. I'll go there, my friend. That's why you should wait a bit. Be patient. Just making me annoyed. Alright, forgive me, friend. Yes, I forgive you. Don't let it happen again, my friend. Yes, I promise I won't do it again. Continue. When will you be here? Assalamualaikum Hussein. When will you be here? Waalaikumsalam Hassan. I will arrive around 3 p.m. How about you? I will arrive there at 3:15 p.m. How about we pray Asr after this? That's right. The Asr call to prayer will be here soon. Okay? We will pray Asr in congregation. See you later. Continue. Why do you like? Hi friend. Why do you like running so much? I like it because I'm always in fit to do it with my brother. At first, I didn't want to, but after a month, I really like running. What about the sport you like? So that's it. It myself prefer playing volleyball because that's my hobby. Sometimes invite me to play volleyball. Okay, on Sunday we'll play with my friends. Okay, thank you for the invitation. Yes, you're welcome. Continue. How can I do that? I want to improve my Japanese. How can I do that? You, you can take a Japanese class, watch it on YouTube, or practice directly with me. My Japanese is pretty good. Okay, Thank you, friend. Yes, you're welcome, friend. Okay, continue. Excuse me, sir. How much is one donut? 2,000 rupiah pieces per pieces. I'll buy 5 pieces, sir. The price becomes 10,000 rupiah, sir. Here's the money, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. You're welcome. When and where? Hi, my friend. Do you want to play PlayStation with me, friends? With my friends? Hi, too, my friend. It seems interesting. Yes, I want to play, but when and where? Tomorrow, Sunday morning in Cipayung. The name of the place The name of the place is Ebisu PlayStation. Good. Later, I will ask permission from my parents. So I come to your house or you pick me up. You just come to my house. Then we will go together. And then thank you. Have a nice day. That's all I have to say about the question word. I apologize if any of my words were unpleasant. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you are always healthy and happy. And this is the text. I would like to give my opinions about the new President of Republik Indonesia. But first, let me introducing myself. My name is Mutiara Badiah Putri. You can call me Mutia. I am from University of Binasarana Informatika. Okay, back to the topic. Congratulations for Mr. Prabowo Subianto as President and Mr. Raka Buming Raka as Vice President. On February 2024, a general election was held and it was determined that Mr. Prabowo and Mr. Gibran received the most votes. On October 2024, it was inaugurated that the 8th President of Indonesia was Mr. Prabowo Subianto, with several mission and vision that he will carry out. One of them is a free lunch. In Indonesian language, we can say makan siang gratis. In the afternoon that I will convey about the programs free lunch. I agree with this program because according the news, Indonesia has problems, which is school children. The problem is stunting that still occurs. Stunting causes several health problems and the vulnerable ones are children. Wow, it's so scary, guys. I hope this lunch programs is carried out transparency and all regions of Indonesia and especially in remote area. And this is one. I hope that with this program, children in Indonesia will become healthier, more active, and creative. And this text about my opinion about the new President of Republik Indonesia. And thank you very much for your attention and see you later. And bye bye, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Badiah Putri. I am from University of Binasarana Informatika. My name number is 64240441. My class is 64.1A.11 and I want to tell you about the question words and keep watching, guys. Hello guys, I want to tell you about the question words. The question words. What the question words? The question word is a word you use to ask about something in everyday life. It be used to ask about a people, place, house, and something else like that. In some sense, including interrogative words, we can add some words to make it an interrogative word, namely 5W plus 1 hype, which is very useful for asking about an object, place, and time, and about a people. Who you can use to ask about a people and person. Like for example, who wrote the letter? Who is he? Who gave me the bottle? Whose you can use to inquire about ownership. Like what cake is it? What are those? What is that? What you can use what to ask about the people, things, job. For example, what is your name? What do you like? What is his job? Which you can use to ask for opinions, like which is your cat, which your house, which is her dog. Where to ask for a place, like where you go, where did you meet him, where is your laptop. When used to ask about time. For example, when did you buy the shoes? Will you give me that? When will you read the book? Why? You can use why to ask for reason, like why do you that? Why do you leaving me? Why you give it to me? How? To ask about a situation and method, like how are you? Why you spell your name? How you speak English very fast? How many? To ask about quantity, like how many people in the office, how many books at the library, how many times. Hi guys, and now I want you to tell you about the example the question words. Who is he? No. Hi Rose. Hi Alexa. What are you doing here? Oh, I just met someone. He's so handsome. Who is he? I don't know. I think he's a new student. Whose ice cream it is? It's mine, but I will give it to you. Why you give it to me? Because I know you are love the ice cream. Here, I will give it to you. What should we do? I'm so bored today. Do you have any plan to do? Me too. What should we do? I think I wanna go to the gym. What do you think? Ah, that's great idea. I wanted to go to the gym with you. Hi Anthony, you are cat lovers too? Yes, I love the cat. It's so cute, right? Which is your cat? The black cat is mine. I am so happy today. Really? Can you tell me why you are so happy today? You know, I just met Justin. Where did you meet him? At the mall. Hi Kiki. Hi Lily, what's up? Kiki, can you help me please? Of course I can. How you spell your name? Ki. Oh, you're so mean to me. What's wrong with you? Why so do you that to me? Why? I just wanted to help you. Thank you guys and see you later and see you next time. Bye bye.